Yes, this is Cheticamp. It's a very French-Canadian town. It's absolutely beautiful. There's the flags that fly in the center of the city. We're on the docks. I'm panning around so you can see the sights.
Those are seagulls. Did you get a close-up? And they bark.
They sound like dogs.
Yeah, they're arr. Well, they can hear it on the camera. That's a seagull making that sound, believe it or not. This is called whale cruisers. We're going to go on it at 6 tonight instead of the other cruise.
This is docks for it.
Yeah.
There's the guy up there making all the noise.
Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Mark, bring that camera around. Look at the baby on the ground.
Oh, I'm going to pan around slowly. I'm coming in to, oh, sorry, too fast.
I got a picture of the baby. Oh my goodness. Can you get a good close-up?
Trying to.
Her nest. Oh, there's another one. Look at the babies. Oh my goodness. Are they ever tiny?
Isn't that cute? I'm going to continue.
We're just saying on the way up here, we haven't seen any animals except dead porcupines all over the road. And then we see this. This is really cute.
This is the docks that the ship will be coming in. In fact, that might even be the boat over there. Get a close up, we're not sure yet. It doesn't go out for another 5 hours. There's 2 men working on it. And there's our phone ringing.
I have one of our girls.
Yeah, and there you go.
I don't know who it is. Hello? Hello? Okay, that's all right. It was the wrong number.
Oh, wrong number. I believe that's a Canadian Coast Guard there, too.
Somebody said it was in the restaurant.
Oh yeah, probably Canadian Coast Guard that comes through here all the time. Watching everybody, but it is beautiful.